Yeah. You ready? Hey. Let's go. Back. Yo, once again I'm back around. Real shit back in style. Haters reconcile. I'm so black and proud. First class tickets now. Feet all in the aisle. Everybody looking down. Everybody get red when you drown, huh? Look at me up. I'm putting it down. You picking it up. Checking the models. They want us to go to college just so we can be stuck. Go to school to make a living, or teach yourself to make a fortune. Common sense. Welcome to the apocalypse. Bitch, I'm one of the horsemen. I don't need your endorsement. I don't need reinforcement. Giving you your last warning, cause I'm at my prime. Yeah. I'm at my prime. Said I'm at my prime. We at our prime. Hey, hey, we at our prime. Yeah. I'm at my prime. Hey, hey, I'm at my prime. Whoa. Said I'm at my prime.
Hi loves, pinili ko tong regalo na ito sa'yo para tayong pares na sapatos. Ikaw ang kanan at ako ang kaliwa na laging nakaalalay sa bawat hakbang natin sa buhay. Hanggang sa maluma, hanggang sa tumanda, mamahalin kita doy sa hirap man o ginhawa. Nagmamahal, maganda mong asawa.
Hi Noy, sana magustuhan mo ang munting regalo ko sa'yo. Relo, simbolo ng bawat patak ng segundo at minuto. Problema at pagsubok, nandito lang ako kasama mo. Ang ganda!
To my childhood sweetheart, sabi nga nila walang makakapigil sa plano ng Diyos para sa'yo. Lubos ang aking pasasalamat kay Lord dahil binigyan niya ako ng mabait, maalaga at maintindihing asawa.
For more than reminiscent. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels alright. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same.
Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know someday they meet again? Dito ko masasabi na napakaganda ng isinulat na love story ni Lord. May naiyak ako para sa atin. After several years without a communication, He made a way para makapag-usap tayo muli.
Pangakong mamahalin ka at poprotektahan ka. Mainis man ang tao sa paligid natin, sa lakas man tumawa. At bigyan man tayo ng matinding pagsubok ng Panginoon. Haharapin natin ang lahat ng yan, ng magkasama at magkahawak ng kamay.
Maybe this time it will be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends.
After 7 years, doon makikita yung mga kahinaan. Pag mahal mo ang tao, lahat ng kahinaan, lahat ng pagkukulang, tatanggapin mo o titiisin mo kasi mahal mo. Ganon yung nagmamahal.
I will choose to love you more kahit marami pang dumating na challenges sa atin. I know God will help us to become stronger and bless our marriage life.
Waiting for this magic moment, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. More than friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time. Maybe this
Ngayon, subukin man ng panahon ang ating relasyon, pipiliin pa rin kita sa araw-araw.